Our award-winning software offers more than 120 features and functions to automatically create intelligent documents. Whether it's a simple document with multiple complex roles and responsibilities for each party, or a complex form with complex conditions, date offsets, and math, or a form with simple internals but an interesting need to change appearance, our software can handle it easily. Until now, each form has been designed with a questionnaire to be answered by the professional. Aurora changes that. In fact, Aurora changes everything, bringing the future into now. At the click of a button, Aurora converts your Word questionnaire into a user-friendly web questionnaire, a white label or private label web page where your audience, your clients, customers, vendors, or employees, provide the answers you seek. Their answers become your data, safely stored in your customized database ready for use. The entire process is secure, encrypted front to back and at rest, and your data can be used, saved, and downloaded at will. Time is our most valuable resource. Aurora reduces the 2 hours needed to produce this document to less than 1 minute. And while completely changing your economics, Aurora also eliminates errors. Time and perfection. All of our time is in the future, but with Aurora, the future is now.